This is Judith Norell from Silver Moon Bakery. This is my first attempt at doing a short video of some of my baking experiments, and I've enjoyed very much trying to learn to edit this short video. As you can see, I'm making Uzbekistan flatbread, even though it's not really flat. I first had to send away to Uzbekistan to get the stamps that are used in the breads. They didn't have any even in Brighton Beach, where there is an Uzbek bakery. So I made my own dough after trying some of the recipes that I had found, because even though the doughs that are used for Uzbek bread do take the design very beautifully, I found them heavy and unflavorful. That may have to do with the kind of flour they use. In any case, I used the kind of bread flour that I like. It's a combination of unbleached and whole wheat, but it does not keep the design as well as the heavier breads that are made in Uzbekistan. I had to compromise, but I'm happy with what I did. I love to experiment, as those of you who have followed Silver Moon Bakery know, and I will continue experimenting. The designs, as you can see, are beautiful, but they will tend to disappear when put in the oven. So I'll just keep on experimenting and hope one day to come up with something which pleases me 100%. I am an explorer. Thanks for watching.